What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on plastic repair once again. It's a piece off of our Nissan Armada. This, so you guys can see, it's all torn up on the side. But we got a new, it's an Allturn Plastic Welder, I believe it's called. I'm going to show you guys here in a second. But as you can see, we have two pieces that we have to weld back on because that's where the glasses go on the top little storage piece of the Armada, and we need it. So I'm gonna show you guys the tools that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna guide you through the process of putting it back together. Here we go. Alrighty, so here we have, it's the Allturn Plastic Welder. Here's the parts we're gonna weld back together on this plastic piece, and this is what the gun looks like and what it has. So it brings all the little metal pieces for you to weld the plastic. It brings some crimpers or dikes, whatever you guys want to call them. It has the actual welder, and it brings a blade in case you have to do some trimming or whatever. And actually, I think this is metal because it's pretty heavy. But let's get to it. Let's get this bad boy on and ready to go ahead and put this piece back together. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these bad boys together with some tape to hold them in place and see how it holds. Now I gotta figure out which way it went. Oh, that's not the one that goes there. It is this one. Okay. So here is one. And that one did go there. So, alright, so here's one. Let's tape this bad boy here together. Put a few more pieces of tape to hold it in place. So like that, I don't have to hold it with the needle nose, and I'll just seal it right into place. Okay, so that's one. And now this other one. Like this. Oh, damn, there we go. Alright, so this one seals in place right there. Man, this is some good surgery here. This one actually works. I'll be amazed. We'll see. Let me just start. I'll just hold it in place and stick the first piece in there because tape alone ain't gonna hold this bad boy. Alright, we'll see. We'll do the bottom piece first. Alright, so let's choose our little thingies. And it's connected, but I don't think this gets hot until you actually hit the switch. We're about to find out. See how many of these it'll actually take. Yeah, it doesn't get hot until you actually pull the trigger. So let's see. Alright, so here we go. Hopefully I can get it to stay exactly where I need it. We're about to find out. Put that little metal piece in the bottom just so we can hold it in place. Here we go, y'all. Oh, it heats up fast. Bam, that's one. That is one. It heats up pretty quick. But then again, that front piece doesn't get hot until you hit the switch. Which makes it easy to go ahead and put these bad boys in there because you don't burn your hands. Alright, here goes the second one. Sweet. You know what I didn't think about? Oh, it didn't go through. I thought about, because you don't have to put too much pressure into it. As soon as it get hot, it goes straight in. But I was thinking maybe it came out the other side, but it didn't. So we're good. I'm gonna put two going sideways on here just to hold it better in place. There we go. Alrighty, let's do this piece. I don't know if you guys can see how quick it gets hot. Oh, we'll see. This one I'm gonna go on it sideways. There it is. And it gets hot very fast. But there's the pieces. Can you see? Yep, there we go. Looks like stitches. Do one more here at the bottom. Come on out, buddy. Making me waste time. Alright, so let's do this other one on the side. Actually, I may do two more. I like using this. Alright, here's one more. And they stick very well. Alright, so as y'all can see, I put one on the outside, one up here sideways so it can hold the crack, and these go with the crack. On the back, I mean, it still looks cracked, but it's on there. Look, it ain't going nowhere. I mean, it's not gonna look 100% perfect, but there it is. So I'm gonna cut all these little pieces off. I'm not even gonna worry about them. I'm gonna just cover it up with all the foam pieces that I took out from it. So let's go on to the next. I'm gonna cut the little pieces. I don't know if you guys can see, but we'll do the first one on camera. And make sure you're not looking straight at it because they fly everywhere. Just catch them. Alright, so I mean, you can feel it. I'll probably just run a little grinder over them just so they won't be sharp. You'll probably cut yourself trying to get your glasses, but I mean, it's on there. It's on there. Let's do the other part. what I like about this, it doesn't get hot, so you can put this in by hand. And you don't even get burnt because it doesn't get hot until you actually hit the switch. So I might be able to get this bad boy on here the way I want. This way. There we go. That's how it goes. Well, you know what? This one I can do one on the inside just to hold it in place. I'll do it like this. I'll hold it there and see if it works. And it worked. Didn't even get hot on the other side. Now the rest I'll do on the inside. I'll do all the rest on the inside. It's easier. I can even hold it from this side. We'll see if I don't get burned. Alright, here get some more. This is an easy way to fix things. You're on a budget. Like, I mean, our vehicle is 2009. I'm not putting a lot of new parts in it because it's not a vehicle we're thinking of keeping. You know, we've owned it already for 14 years, almost 15 years, so it's almost that time. It's about time for a new one. All right, so let's see how I'm gonna do this one. Well, now I might burn myself. We'll see. I can't get on there. Alright, we'll do this. I'm gonna just go ahead and put them all sideways. I can't go this way because I don't have enough room to mess with it. But we'll stick them all on there, cut the little pieces off, and then we'll install it and see how it works. Perfect. Man, this is super easy to use. And it doesn't get hot on the outside. I love it. Perfect. So sometimes like me, I'll forget that bad boy's on and I'll grab it and I figure out the hard way. This one, no problem. Stitched up, baby. Put another one on the outside, just in case. I'll put it on the sideways just to hold it. It'll hold it in place. Perfect. Well, it held down as well, ain't coming off. Alright y'all, I'm gonna show you. Here it is, already on. As you can see, it's got the Frankenstein look, but it's on there. Nothing's moving, so I don't care how it looks as long as it doesn't make noise with it being all cracked. So there it is, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.